Black holes, one of the most baffling and peculiar phenomena in the universe, remain a subject of extraordinary review and interest among space experts and physicists alike. These celestial objects, defined by their monstrous gravitational pull and the total absence of light emission, represent a limit beyond which the known laws of physical science no longer apply. First speculated by Albert Einstein in 1916 as a consequence of his theory of general relativity, black holes were only theoretical until technological advancements allowed for their indirect detection during the 20th century. The turning point came during the 1960s, when astronomers studying the Cygnus group of stars accidentally discovered an unusual celestial object, a brilliant blue star emitting high-energy X-rays. This star, orbiting an invisible companion, defied regular explanations until it was revealed to be in a gravitational relationship with a massive black hole, Cygnus X1. The discovery of Cygnus X1 provided clear evidence for the existence of black holes and marked the beginning of a new era of investigation into these cosmic enigmas. Cygnus X1, located about 6,000 light-years from Earth, has staggering properties. It is incredibly dense and exerts a gravitational force so intense that not even light can escape its grasp. This defining feature earned it the name black hole, encapsulating the essence of these mysterious objects. Subsequent research has uncovered a variety of black holes scattered throughout the universe, with estimates suggesting that the Milky Way alone may harbor more than 100 million black holes. Despite their elusive nature, which makes direct detection challenging, astronomers have identified several candidates within our galaxy, ranging from stellar mass black holes formed from the remnants of massive stars to supermassive black holes located at the centers of galaxies. The gravitational influence of black holes extends far beyond their immediate vicinity, shaping the evolution of cosmic structures and influencing the fate of surrounding matter. Objects that venture too close to a black hole face a fate determined by its relentless force. They are drawn inevitably toward the event horizon, the final boundary where they are subjected to extreme tidal forces and ultimately consumed by the singularity at the black hole's core. This catastrophic interaction, known as spaghettification, is the extreme manifestation of a black hole's gravitational strength. As an object approaches the event horizon, the gravitational gradient across its length becomes so extreme that it is stretched and contorted into a filamentary shape resembling strands of spaghetti. The forces exerted by the black hole overpower the internal bonds keeping the object intact, causing it to disintegrate into a stream of matter that eventually merges with the singularity. Despite the allure of black holes as laboratories for testing the limits of physical theory, they remain shrouded in intrigue. The quest to unravel their secrets continues, driven by a desire to understand the fundamental nature of spacetime and gravity itself. In the vastness of the universe, black holes stand as silent sentinels, beckoning humanity to explore the depths of the unknown and expand the boundaries of human knowledge. Despite the tremendous distance separating us from the nearest black hole, roughly 1,500 light-years away, questions and concerns about their potential impact persist. In 2021, researchers achieved a monumental breakthrough by capturing the first clear image of a black hole, specifically M87, located at the center of the M87 galaxy. This remarkable achievement provided crucial insights into the nature of black holes and their elusive structure. The visual data revealed that black holes have complex layers, challenging the traditional perception of them as solitary entities of pure nothingness. Through meticulous analysis and imaging stitching, scientists identified 3 distinct layers within a black hole. At the outermost layer lies the event horizon, a critical boundary marking the point of no return. Once an object crosses this threshold, gravitational forces become insurmountable, ensuring its inevitable fall into the black hole's depths. What's inside a black hole? Moving inward, the photon sphere constitutes the second layer, where light orbits the black hole in perpetual captivity. Any photons that venture into this realm succumb to the overwhelming gravitational pull, trapped forever within the black hole's cosmic embrace. At the heart of the black hole lies the singularity, the third and final layer, where the laws of physics break down. The familiar laws governing the universe cease to apply, plunging researchers into a realm of profound uncertainty and theoretical speculation. The complexity of black holes and their inherent variability presents significant challenges to our understanding. While they share a common three-layer structure, each black hole exhibits unique characteristics and behaviors, defying simple categorization. As such, traditional methods of scientific inquiry prove insufficient for studying these cosmic behemoths, necessitating innovative approaches to unravel their mysteries. Indirect observation remains the primary means of studying black holes, as direct investigation is rendered unfeasible by the immense barriers posed by their gravitational forces. Attempts to launch probes into black holes would inevitably result in their destruction, crushed into obscurity by the relentless forces at play. Nevertheless, researchers persist in their quest to decipher the secrets of these cosmic giants. Various theories, ranging from stellar collapse to cosmic dynamics, offer tantalizing glimpses into their origins and behavior. Notably, NASA's study of the cosmic center of M87 revealed compelling evidence of a supermassive black hole exerting its gravitational influence over vast cosmic scales. Despite these challenges, the pursuit of knowledge continues unabated, driven by humanity's inherent curiosity and thirst for understanding. While the enigma of black holes may elude simple comprehension, the steadfast dedication to scientific inquiry promises to illuminate the darkest corners of the universe, unraveling the profound secrets hidden within. Roy Kerr's groundbreaking work in 1963 presented a paradigm-shifting perspective on black holes, proposing a revolutionary theory of rotating black holes that defied conventional understandings. Central to Kerr's model was the concept of the ergosphere, a region surrounding the black hole where divergent forces balance gravitational collapse, preventing matter from collapsing further inward. This novel domain displayed curious deviations from traditional physics, hinting at the profound mysteries concealed within black holes. However, the most intriguing implication of Kerr's theory was the prediction of an Einstein-Rosen bridge, informally known as a wormhole. This hypothetical structure represents a potential gateway through spacetime, offering a conduit between distant regions of the universe, or even parallel universes. The idea of wormholes stems from the intricate interplay between reality as described by Einstein's theory of general relativity. In this framework, existence is woven together, forming a four-dimensional fabric known as spacetime. Massive objects warp this fabric, creating gravitational fields that influence the motion of surrounding matter. Wormholes essentially act as shortcuts through this cosmic fabric, connecting distant points in spacetime and potentially enabling rapid traversal across vast cosmic distances. However, the stability and practicality of wormholes remain subjects of intense speculation and debate among theoretical physicists. While the existence of wormholes offers tantalizing possibilities for interstellar travel and time exploration, significant challenges and limitations temper these fantastical dreams. The intrinsic instability of wormholes, coupled with the formidable barriers posed by quantum forces and radiation, casts doubt on their feasibility as viable means of transportation. Moreover, Einstein's theory of general relativity imposes fundamental constraints on the speed of movement through spacetime, suggesting that even if stable wormholes existed, they might not facilitate faster-than-light travel, a cornerstone of many sci-fi narratives. Despite these challenges, the allure of wormholes endures as a beacon of scientific interest and exploration. The concept of the wormhole, named after its pioneering scholar, embodies the tantalizing promise of cosmic portals and alternate realities, inviting humanity to contemplate the mysteries of the universe and ponder the infinite possibilities that lie beyond. The quest for a unified theory that reconciles the seemingly disparate domains of gravity and quantum mechanics has spurred the search for a theory of everything, a comprehensive framework capable of incorporating all fundamental forces and particles in the universe. Expert insights, theories, and debates. At the forefront of this endeavor stands the renowned theoretical physicist Myoku, whose groundbreaking work has propelled the study of superstring theory. Superstring theory represents a dramatic departure from conventional ideal models, hypothesizing that fundamental particles are not point-like entities but instead microscopic vibrating strings. These strings, much like the strings of a musical instrument, resonate at specific frequencies, giving rise to the various particles and forces observed in nature. In this paradigm, the universe becomes akin to a grand symphony, with each particle corresponding to a unique harmonic resonance of these fundamental strings. One of the most striking implications of superstring theory lies in its potential to explain the enigmatic phenomena associated with black holes, wormholes, and other exotic solutions to Einstein's equations of gravity. As strings traverse the fabric of spacetime, their dynamic motion leads to the formation of gravitational singularities and topological anomalies. However, the elegance of superstring theory masks its inherent complexity, as it necessitates the existence of additional dimensions beyond the familiar 3 spatial dimensions and 1 temporal dimension. These extra dimensions, hidden from direct observation, present a significant challenge to human intuition. Nevertheless, applied models, such as the analogy of fish inhabiting a 2-dimensional lake, provide a glimpse into the elusive nature of these higher-dimensional realms. The compactification of these extra dimensions, akin to the folding of a rolled-up piece of paper, renders them imperceptible at everyday scales, yet their influence permeates the very fabric of reality. While the precise nature of these hidden dimensions remains elusive, their theoretical presence offers a promising explanation for the complex structures and anomalies observed in the universe. Furthermore, the mathematical underpinnings of superstring theory have sparked a renaissance in mathematical physics, revealing profound connections between dynamic mathematical patterns and physical phenomena. Indeed, the pursuit of a theory of everything has catalyzed the union of disciplines, shedding light on the deep interplay between mathematics and the natural sciences. Despite its theoretical elegance and scientific potential, superstring theory remains an untested framework awaiting experimental validation. The elusive nature of extra dimensions presents a formidable barrier to experimental verification, relegating superstring theory to the realm of mathematical speculation. Nevertheless, the audacious vision of superstring theory continues to captivate the minds of researchers and enthusiasts alike, enticing humanity to embark on a journey of intellectual discovery and exploration. As we venture deeper into the known domains of theoretical physics, guided by the illuminating beacon of superstring theory, we confront the vast mysteries of the universe, poised on the threshold of a new era of understanding and enlightenment. The task of unraveling the secrets of quantum black holes has long perplexed physicists, representing a monumental challenge to our understanding of the fundamental nature of the universe. Despite numerous efforts to tackle this riddle, the live solution has remained beyond our grasp, prompting Edward Witten of the Institute for Advanced Study at Princeton to describe superstring theory as the 21st century physics that accidentally fell into the 20th century. However, recent advancements have injected new hope into the quest for understanding quantum black holes. Several groups of physicists have independently reported a significant breakthrough, revealing that string theory could offer a comprehensive solution to the problem, albeit within the more constrained context of 2 dimensions rather than the full 10-dimensional framework set forth by conventional superstring theory. While this represents a promising step forward, the quest for a complete resolution remains ongoing, with the complexities of the situation presenting substantial obstacles. The search for a unified theory of everything beckons us to probe the deepest recesses of cosmic existence, where the boundaries between reality and theory blur, and the secrets of the universe await discovery. The study of black holes carries profound implications for our understanding of the universe, challenging our notions of reality and raising questions about the nature of existence itself. The interplay between black holes and other astronomical phenomena, such as neutron stars and gamma-ray bursts, reveals the intricate processes at work in the cosmos.